Welcome back, everyone. I know it's been a couple days, but I thought I'd give one of those paint kisses a try, and I'm going to be using hexagon, which is a 6x6 hexagon, and the colors are going to be more on the cool side with the grays and the silvers and a little bit of a brass on this side. And that's silver, bronze, and meioted pearl with black. And then on this side with the white, I actually might switch that actually. So the white will go on that side, and the black I'm going to place with the LUKAS CRYL Gold Bronze, CRAFTSMART Gold, CRAFTSMART Bright Gold, SOHO Gold, LUKAS CRYL Gold, and the SOHO Mars Black. So I'm just going to do a time lapse for you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the time lapse. Bye. Hey everyone, so this is kind of where I ended up with it. I'm actually really loving it. I'm loving the cells that are going on right here. These are all those metallics. So I'm kind of excited to see what comes of this, because we all know metallics and we all know how they dry, and this is a painting full of metallics, so this should prove to be interesting. But that was fun. I did do that kiss pour the best I could. At first they weren't meeting up, and then I had to like get a little bit closer. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Should I try another one? What do you guys think of this one to begin with? Is this something you guys would like to see again? Do you like the color choices? Again, these are all those metallics, especially this one's popping up through. This is that LUKAS CRYL Gold Bronze. Yeah, again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to go and check out all my different sites, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao!